Hello, Heather Hoffman here with a fun, playful little card with some peekaboo windows using a Unity stamp set called Birdie Conversation. I've pulled out just some basic circle dies that I have in my stash and cut 6 windows in a panel of white cardstock and kind of planned my placement on the front of my white card base. I've already set it up in the MISTI, and what I did is I just lined up each image in the circles with the stamp images nice and clean, picked them up with the other side of the MISTI, then I could take that circle out and then I stamp right onto my card base. And I'm going to stamp 2 times with Gina K amalgam ink so I can color these with Copics here in a minute. And now that I've got those stamped on my card base, you'll notice I can put that window over and see how everything just peeks through the windows, kind of how I had it planned out. Now, I love this technique for image or stamp sets with lots of cute little images like this. I can never pick which stamped image I want to use, so this is a great way to incorporate lots of them on one card, which is always kind of fun. Then you don't have to choose one, you can make use of more of them, and they're all so cute and small that they fill this card front just perfect doing it this way, and the circles add just a little dimension and interest to it as well. Now I'm coloring these really basic and simple with Copic markers. I basically picked just 1 yellow, 1 orange, 1 pink, 1 darker red, and then just some green for the grass and some detail. And I'm coloring all the birds yellow and then coloring some of the details in with those other colors. So I'm going to pause my voice right now and let you just watch the coloring and then finish up the details in a minute. Alright, I'm winding down on my color. You notice I used a soft blue to outline each thing when I finished, and then at the very end I used the pink just to come in and add a little color to their cheeks for a little bit of a blush color. Now now that I've got all those images colored, I'm gonna adhere that front circle panel, and I'm trimming down foam adhesive to go back behind it. I like it with the window effect to pop it up a little. Then you can kind of see the images peeking out from under instead of it just being flat. You easily could adhere this just straight down too. I just like the added dimension. And I have my really wide roll of foam tape, so I'm trimming it down into little pieces just so that I can tuck it all in there and have it be fairly nice and sturdy without any problems getting it all tucked in there. And that also means you get to pull the backing off of lots of little tiny pieces of foam adhesive. So if you have a thinner set, then that might work better for this, but this is what I had on hand, so I just kind of went with it. Alright, I'm going to adhere that in place, and this card is finished and done. Thanks so much for coming by. Have a wonderful day.